So I'm removing the glow plugs, and I've got a special tool. I only use this if I'm having issues and I can't get it out and it's super tight and they've swollen inside the head. So I'll use this extractor. However, I normally just put a little wrench to it, quarter drive, and I just go back and forth, and I use my WD-40 and just be patient. Takes a little bit of time. So this one's already out. You can see the hole there. It's already out on this side. I already removed it. It's pretty rusty. On this side, it's a little easier. Driver's side's a little easier. I've already removed 1, 2, 3, 4, and those are easier. They have better access. So you'll find them right underneath the injector. So if you see the injector right here, you see the little tube, you just look right underneath it, and then you'll see the little threaded hole. So the other one is going to be right here. And just WD-40, I sprayed inside the cylinders before I start cranking it over. And just be patient with it. Some of them are going to be real difficult to get out, and you'll just have to go back and forth. You may have to leave it and come back to it later and let it soak with WD-40. I'm going to put the old glow plugs back in just to get it started, and then we'll get some new ones. May not make sense, but I'm not sure if this engine's any good, so took them out, turned the engine over, lubed it up with oil and some WD-40. Engine cranks over by hand really well, and I'm just going to put these old ones, get it started, and if I'm happy, then I'll take them back out and invest the money with new ones. So I'm just doing, this is an old, but it's an anti-seize, so you just put a dab of this stuff on all of them, and you just spread it on and screw it in. Real easy. Try and do this with one finger. There we go. It's good enough. So we got the hole right here underneath. So each glow plug is under each injector. It's about 1 inch below it, and it tapers down. You can see this is the first one on the driver's side. So you just screw it in, finger tight. Gotta be real careful you don't cross thread these things. And then you put anti-seize, horrible stuff. Okay. Then you just gotta tighten them. This is just a temporary thing. And you just start tightening it in, one by one. There's 8 of them, as you know. So we're making progress on this thing. We've got another one right under here, another one here. So as you go, there's another one under that tube. We just got to do all 8.